What is the difference between a high income job versus a high income skill? Knowing the answer to this question will have a significant impact on your freedom, on your income, on your family, and also on your financial future. See, there are 4 controls that you must understand. A high income skill gives you control over your income. You're in control of how much you make. Let me give an example. Let's say you have a job right now, maybe not even a high income job. And I define a high income job as a job that you could earn 6-figure income doing, working for somebody. So even a regular job, what are the chances of you going to your supervisor, your boss tomorrow and say, you know what, I want to increase my pay by 20%. Chances are not very high. On the other hand, a high income skill, if you are more skillful, you're able to deliver more value to the clients. What dictates your value and how much you get paid is not a supervisor, not a CEO or a manager. It's the marketplace. So now let's say you are a little bit better, you could go out there in the marketplace and charge more money. Let's say you are a copywriter, that you write copy for clients and you're charging $1,000 a project. Now you are more knowledgeable. Now you can write better copy. Could you go out there and charge, let's say, $1,200 instead of $1,000? There you go. That's a 20% increase. You are in charge. You're in control of your income. That's control number 1. Control number 2, you are in control of your time. High income skill allows you to dictate your own hours. You want to work in the morning? That's okay. You want to work late at night? That's okay. You want to work 3 days, 4 days a week? That's fine. You want to work 7 days a week? You are ambitious? That's okay. So you could earn more money. Well, a high income job doesn't allow you to do that. You are doing 9 to 5, you're doing 9 to 8, or maybe you're doing 9 to 9. There are certain hours that you have to follow. Control number 3, a high income skill gives you control over your location. You can work wherever you want. You can work from your laptop, you can work from Starbucks, you can work from home, or you can work while you are traveling. A high income skill, my definition, allows you to do that. If your job doesn't allow you to do that, well, that's not a high income skill, that is a high income job because you're restricted to a geographic area. Does that make sense? And last but not least, control number 4, a high income skill gives you control over your destiny. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's say you're working for a corporation, maybe a big corporation. Maybe they are going through some tough times, maybe going through recession. Now they're downsizing, meaning they're firing a lot of people. They're going through restructuring, also means they're firing a lot of people, right? Or maybe just the industry is going through a very difficult time, like a winter. It has nothing to do with you, and yet your job, your income is at risk. So when you lose that job, what do? If you have to transition and now work for a different company, or worse yet, you will have to work in a different industry, how that affects your income. Before you're up here, but now you gotta start down here. Well, a high income skill gives you control over your destiny, meaning that it's transferable. That let's say if I am a copywriter, right? I can write copy for someone, a client in this industry, industry A, or industry B, or industry C, or industry D, or in this country, for that country, or somewhere across the globe. It doesn't matter as long as you have your laptop, you've got your skill set, you're good to go. Because you notice, usually it's country that's going through recession, right? So maybe the economy is bad in here or in where you are at. The economy is not so bad in another country, or sometimes city by city. That is a factor you have to consider. So high income skill gives you control over these 4 things: your income, your location, your time, and your destiny. So what is the ideal high income skill that you should develop? Well, I don't know your situation and I don't know your background. And the best way is for you to find out yourself. Click the link below and take a 3-minute quiz. In 3 minutes, you will know exactly what is the ideal high income skill that you should pursue. Then you can pick and choose the path that you want to follow, a high income skill path or high income job path. Either way is fine. but wouldn't it be powerful for you to know? So when you want to, now you have a choice. You could develop a high income skill on the side, or you say that, you know what, this is what I want to focus on. I want to make this my career. You have that choice as well. So click the link below and take that 3-minute quiz right now.